Bismah Maroof is a Pakistani cricketer who plays as an all-rounder, batting left-handed and bowling right-arm leg break. She has appeared for Pakistan in over 200 matches, captained the side between 2013 and 2020, and was the first woman to score 1,000 runs in ODIs for Pakistan. In April 2021, Maroof took a break from cricket to give birth, before confirming her return to availability in December 2021 ahead of the 2022 World Cup. She has played domestic cricket for Lahore, Zarai Taraqiati Bank Limited and Pakistan universities. Bismah was born into a Kashmiri family. Her parents, being well educated, were in favor of her pursuing an academic career and establishing herself in the world of medicine. As she grew into her late teens, her interest for cricket developed, and that too to such an extent that while at Lahore College for Women University, her passion peaked, and so she decided to step out of academics after completion of high school into the cricketing sphere, leaving behind the ambitions of becoming a doctor. She was part of the Pakistan squad at the 2009 Women's Cricket World Cup in Australia. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.